So as you can see, this is a large bird, and they actually are quite difficult to care for properly. I think they make amazing pets, but you have to realize that they're going to be with you from upwards of 20 to 50 and even more years. So this means that sometimes people might bring them into their family and realize that they actually have to give them to family members as an inheritance when they get older. It's also really important is that most of these birds would come from the jungle where they're flying miles and miles a day. So trying to make sure that they have the proper exercise, access to sunlight, which can be difficult in Ireland, but really importantly as well is their food and their diet. So many people might just be thinking that, oh, it's a bird and I can just give it seeds, but that's actually really, really dangerous and not good for them at all. Their nutrition can lead to them having so many different diseases, and the most important thing we can have them on is a formulated pelleted diet that really can ensure that they're able to have these gorgeous colors and really be in the tip-top health they can be.